You guys know from the Noah's house here. I'm out in the garden. It's a nice day. And I got that guy right there going in. If you remember, I had the two big 100-gallon grow bags there. This is the fourth time I've had to move them. So I'm thinking this is going to be the last. But my wife got me these on Mac bids. They are not Vego garden beds, which is what all those are. But hey, everything's getting so expensive. Got to save some money where you can. So I'm going to do this one right there. And then over there, I have another one she got me. And I got those. She got me those two beds for, man, probably under $100. Probably under 50. And they're pretty nice. Put them together a little bit ago. But I just got this guy in, kind of leveled off. And now it's time to start filling it. And I think I'm going to do potatoes in this year. So stay tuned. All right, guys. Working on this bed. I've seen some different ones, the wider ones, they start to actually collapse in because if you put rods across, well, these are some more inexpensive beds. So I doubled the rods up, and I seen Mark from Self-Sufficient Me do this, something similar. So this is what I did. So I got a couple 2x4s, put some holes. So as things sink down, it should, in theory, grab those 2x4s and keep the beds from pulling inward. I know it seems kind of weird. My bigger Vego beds, I did not put rods in. But like I said, these are a little thinner, a little more wobbly. So I figured, hey, what the heck? I seen Mark do that. So I figured I'd give it a go. And if it's totally screwed up and it doesn't work, all I have to do is dig down a little bit. I can whack them, guys, and bring them right out. I was going to put 3 in, but I broke the third one. But hey, I was putting a new bed in. All right. So I got it leveled up pretty good. I got some logs in there I'll spin you around. It's kind of how I've been building them out of all the ones I've built. Changed some stuff up. Like I said, I put some 2x4s in there. I thought I'll stop the sides from getting sucked in. Just some old logs. There's a little maple. There's a little, I don't know what the hell it is, tree in there. But I have a lot of stuff laying around this year. Leaves, and where I dug this out, that's wood chip. Man, that's 6-7 year old wood chip probably. It's just melting down into the ground, and it's awesome. But I'm gonna throw that in there. And like I said, the big 100-gallon I cannot say gallon today. The big 100-gallon grow bags are gonna go by the wayside. I'm gonna retire them, so I'm gonna dump them in there. That's gonna be part of my top layer, and then I'll put some compost on, and it's gonna be good. All right, guys, Noah from at Noah's house here. I have got the bed filled up, almost. I have it 90%. I don't have the 10%. Let me get my collar looking good there. I don't have my 10% compost, which I'm gonna go get here in a minute. I went in to eat some dinner, but check this out. So this is all the medium that was in that grow bags, and I walked on it. I tamped it down really good. It's really nice and tight. I'm gonna put the rest, let's call it 6 inches of good compost that I have. It's been sitting all winter, rotting down, doing good, freezing, thawing, all that stuff. So I'm gonna put that on top. And I got this bed done in a day, which for me, man, that's a miracle. But I got it, it's in, it's square. I'm gonna put some compost on, and then I will shoot you guys a little video of that. Real excited for spring 2026 to come up. All right, guys. I just added a top layer of compost. I bought compost at the end of last fall, and I've had it sitting over there, rotting down, hanging out, like I said, freezing, thawing. Some critters got in there probably. Everything's super good. Super. Go ahead and drink, kids. Check it out. So that's it. She's topped off. She's filled up. We got some logs in the bottom. We got some trees, some sticks, some twigs, some leaves. Some good stuff. Good dirt. And then got some good compost on top. And like I said, over there, I retired the 100-gallon grow bags. Really good thing if you're looking for it, if you need something like that. But I've moved them 4 times. I've had them 5, 6, 7 years probably, and it was time to do this. Well, hey man, hope you enjoyed this. It's a quick bed build, just another bed. I think it takes us up to 12 beds, something like that. This is Noah. Thanks for stopping by.